Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 model coming from Prolite, and it is the E-Mini floor plan. This is an exciting trailer because the E in Mini stands for electric. You've got tons of electric features packed into this trailer, and it is also exciting because it is made in Canada and it is ultra lightweight, designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. This particular model is perfect for a compact car. It's a 4-person camper, comes at under 1,265 pounds dry weight, but it's also got some cool things on the inside, such as a kitchen. You've got a moonshade accessory for the exterior and 2 100-watt solar panels. You'll see here on the very front, you're going to have a manual tongue jack and manual stabilizers. You won't see a propane tank because, as I've mentioned before, a lot of this trailer, if not all of it, runs off of solar electric power. Walking around the exterior here, you'll see there are plenty of windows to let lots of natural light in. At the very rear, you're going to have a small storage compartment for storing some belongings, as well as access to your inverter and other maintenance needs. You've got an auxiliary shower there on the rear also, and walking over to the side, nothing too special. More windows, and you'll notice this higher ride height that happened in 2025 to reduce bottoming out. They continued that for these 2026s. Stepping on inside the trailer, you're going to see where you got a lot of these nice electric features. But one thing to mention is this just came straight from the factory. So we have not hooked up the inverter as of yet. So you won't see the lights on here today, but you still have plenty of natural light coming in from these windows. Right in the nose of this trailer, talking about that natural light, you've got all these windows that fully wrap around. Now this dinette is perfect for having meals, playing some board games, having morning coffee, but is also acting as an extra bed for the trailer. This does fold down and drop down. These cushions come over. This whole area becomes a little sleeping nook in the front spot. And having these 100% block out magnetic blinds, you can either fully remove them, fully have them down, roll them up, or fold them up. Those will block out all the light for when you are ready to have a nap or sleep in the evening in this trailer. They also do a good job at regulating the air temperature and saving the interior from UV damage from the sun. Flipping over to this side, this is where some of the solar capabilities are going to pop up here, and having this as a full electric trailer. So you are going to have here your electric fridge freezer combo, and you also have a single element induction cooktop. So when you are parked at the campground, hooked up to everything, you won't be needing to burn any propane. You will have a full electric induction element cooktop. 2026s have this nice stainless steel sink with this matte black faucet. You've got a little bit of storage and access to plumbing underneath. And over on this side, you are going to have a countertop here right at the door, perfect for putting your wallet, drink, sunglasses, sunscreen, anything just inside the trailer you can grab without having to step in and walk through the trailer. You also have a storage compartment here. And at the back, this is going to be your sofa area, or a lot of people use this as their full-time bed. So you just lift this up, slide it out. And now you have this as a bed. So it's easy to convert if you want to have it as a couch throughout the day. But a lot of people who use this as a couple's trailer leave this as a bed set up all the time. And you have your dinette set up all the time. So no setup and takedown. You've got storage up above with cargo netting, so you don't lose any space by not having your cabinet doors here. But it's a little bit easier to use. You can just pull it down and grab what you need to. Everything stays stowed there when you are traveling. Another thing to mention here too is when this is up in the couch option, this table here does have an extra leg on it. So you've got your regular leg here to support it when it's in the dinette, but you've got your other one on the other side stowed up. That can be folded down. You can bring this table outside and use it. You can have it over at this couch and use it. Anything you want, that table is going to give you some versatility. So if you are looking for an ultra lightweight trailer and you want a benefit of some of the new features with an E-Mini, this is definitely worth checking out, or even checking out all the other minis, mini lounges, E-Minis, mini Ecos, our regular premium minis, E-Minis. Lots of options here at Long Haul Trailers. So if you want to check it out in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.